Hey, it's me, Art Araneta, and for today, our feature would be an extreme home makeover. So this is a townhouse, an old townhouse in Quezon City, and I'll be showing you the before and after photos. So here you can see the before photos. So it's really an old house, so very 90s pa siya, mga marble tiles. Yung paint niya is outdated na, medyo dilapidated na. Well, basically everything is dilapidated na, and talagang napag-iwanan na siya ng panahon, and out of trend na yung design niya. When we say extreme makeover, kasi as in marami tayong babaklasin, it's a full renovation. It's not just a refresh but a full renovation of the house. So this is 2 stories, 3 bedrooms and 1 maid's room. So for the entire ground floor, talagang babaguhin natin siya. Medyo gagawin natin siyang modern contemporary. And then yung mga bedroom sa taas, since maliliit pa yung mga anak nila, so nakafocus lahat sa master's bedroom, and then magiging guest room na yung isang room sa taas. So yeah, so this is the construction period. As you can see, the kitchen, inalis natin lahat. So i-strip off natin yung mga paint, even with the bathroom. So lahat ng tiles, mga lumang design ng tiles, inalis na natin. So basically, we're starting from scratch actually. So bare shell na siya. So yan, ang dami nating mga basurang inaalis from the inside. And with the stairs, inalis din natin yung mga marble stairs. Gagawin natin siyang wood planks. Babaguhin natin yung railing na metal lang. Gagawan natin siya ng wooden railing, and with matching metal design. Even with the ceiling, so binago natin siya. Nag-cove lighting pa rin tayo, and then nilagyan natin siya ng drop lights. And then for the master's bedroom, meron din siyang built-in headboard, kasi uso nung time na to yung mga padded headboard, and then yung mga architectural finish na wallpaper. So yun yung ginagamit natin for the bedrooms. So you can see, this is medyo blurry lang siya, pero this is the guest room. So padded headboard din siya, and then ikasalpak na lang natin yung mattress. So very convenient. And then for the flooring, for the second floor, engineered wood yung gagamitin natin. So originally, this is TNG na yung mga maliliit. So yung old school pa. So ngayon, ginawa natin siya ng engineered wood. Na TNG pa rin naman, pero planks type na siya. For the kitchen, medyo nasa neutral tones tayo. And then mas dinamihan natin yung cabinetry niya. And then of course, sa living room niya, it's also the TV room na rin. So ginawa natin siya ng built-in TV ledge. And then of course, gumamit tayo ng mga Roman sheets for the window treatment. So ito yung idea natin for the stairs. So magiging wood planks na siya. And then yung mga paintings din natin is or yung mga accessories na gagawin natin is more on nature inspired. So makikita nyo yan yung sa mga wall hanging paintings, even with the decor. So yung mga African lady, yung mga farmers. And then ang texture and colors ng wood natin would be yung mga heavy grain veneers. Pero ang gagamitin natin dito is faux finish lang. So this is basically duco finish, pero faux paint, faux wood paint texture yung gagamitin natin. And then yung mga handles ng cabinetry natin is yung mga continuous aluminum handles. So ang color scheme natin is more on the earth tones, kasi medyo traditional yung family, yung client natin. So gusto nila is nasa neutrals lang. So this is the dining area. So of course, we put a mirror, and then simple lang, very uncluttered siya, wala masyadong gamit. So yeah, we've used Roman shades for the entirety of the project, para hindi naman ganun ka-cold yung pagka-modern niya. So medyo homey pa rin siya. And then yung ceiling natin, hindi tayo masyadong gumamit ng maraming mga grooves and patterns. So continuous lang yung cove lighting and yung drop ceiling sa living going to the dining area. Even with the TV cabinet, very simple lang siya. So this is the living and dining area. So neutrals lang lahat siya. Nag-accent color lang tayo on one wall. And then light shades lang for the other walls. So yeah, cove lighting lang talaga yung nag-accentuate, mas nagpataas ng ceiling ng townhouse. Even sa floor tiles, pinalitan natin. So this is what I'm talking about, yung mga African and mga candles natin na nasa medyo nature-inspired colors. So walang masyadong prints and patterns kasi townhouse lang to, so maliit lang siya. So medyo nasa neutral tones lang tayo. So there, this is the ground floor. So parang mas pinaluwag lang natin yung feeling. And of course, we can always use indoor plants. But then in the case of the client, ayaw niya nang masyado talagang cluttered yung area niya. This is the master's bathroom. So kanina nakita niyo yung before niya, talagang old school na old school. So yan, as in binago natin siya. So ginamitan natin siya ng frosted glass divider for the shower partition. And then full mirror for the lavatory side, the lavatory wall. And then nilagyan natin ng mga ledge para may lagyan pa rin sila. So yeah, this is the before photos. Talagang medyo napaglumaan na siya. So we made use of everything that can be used. At the same time, hindi naman tayo gumastos ng sobrang laki when it comes to the materials, even the furniture, yung dining table, ito is nirefurbish lang natin. Yeah, so this is the old kitchen. So talagang 90s, early 90s marble, even 80s pa nga. And then yan, ginawa natin siyang tiny but functional, and well, there's a lot of storage for this kitchen. Kasi hindi naman sila masyadong nagluluto daw, so they don't really need a full kitchen. This is the old bathroom setup. So talagang giniba natin yan, and then this is the new one. So yeah, there you have it. So this is an extreme makeover of townhouse in Quezon City. From a dilapidated townhouse, ginawa natin siyang modern contemporary. So click the subscribe button, and hopefully next time ibang feature, ibang project naman yung makikita natin. So have a great day. Bye.